Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to start writing on Medium in 2025, like from setting up your profile to publishing your first article. Whether you want to share your ideas, grow an audience, or make money from writing, this tutorial will walk you through all of these step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on medium.com. Then you need to sign up here with the help of your email address. You can also use your Google account, Apple ID in order to register here. So once you have done that, you just have to log in into your Medium account. Then the first thing that you need to do is to simply set up your profile. So when you click on the option of your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen, simply go to your profile and change the name, bio and photo. Make sure that you add a clean and professional bio that is going to help your readers to connect with you. Now you need to go to the settings of your Medium account. Over here in your settings, you just have to add a short tagline, like you can write what you are going to write about. So after doing so, you can link your Twitter or any kind of websites to add more credibility. So once you have done that, in the top right hand corner, you will see this type of write option. So when you click on the right option, the Medium's editor is going to be opened in front of you. Over here, you can give the title of your post. Then you can start writing your story. You can also seek help from ChatGPT in order to write the headlines, quotes, or lists, or anything. In order to embed the images, you can use Canva. And here you are also going to see a bunch of other options in order to basically start writing your content. Like you can make your text bold, italic, underline, you can add the links, then brackets, etc. So whatever is required, you are going to get it over here, so you can select it as per your need. So once you are done, you can publish your content and start publishing your content again and again, just like so. So if you want to earn money, you can click on the profile and you can go with the partner program with Medium. So this particular partner program is going to cost you around $5 per month. Like you will have to pay for the premium, and only then you will be able to basically apply for the Medium partner program. So you can join yourself, and whenever someone reads your article, you are going to get paid. So this is how you can start using Medium for writing your articles. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.